Hey, do you wish you could communicate better with your internal team and your website visitors? Ever dream of a day where the same place your communication happens would allow you to also retrieve historical data around the people you're trying to communicate with? Well, now there is. You know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, this is not a fantasy land. It's simply a few clicks away if you're a HubSpot and Slack user. What the heck am I talking about? Well, simply put, the HubSpot and Slack integration. What does this integration partner do? Well, great question, and I'm gonna share it, because if I didn't, well, this wouldn't be a video. Well, let's start at the beginning. Do you know what Slack is? For those of you who said yes to that question, please give me about 10 to 15 seconds to explain to those who said no. Slack is a digital workplace that connects you to people and tools you work with every day. Tools like HubSpot and so many more. Sales is all about building relationships, but it can be difficult to form those relationships when a rep has to spend precious time on stupid little tasks that, well, don't make any sense. In fact, a recent report from HubSpot Research found that reps spent up to a quarter of their day on tasks like writing emails and data entry. Software should exist to help minimize that time spent, not create extra steps. HubSpot Slack integration aims to do just that. So, what does this integration enable? Again, another great question. You're amazing. When you get an important message via Slack, you can hover over the message and click the More Actions icon to add a task in HubSpot. The HubSpot task form appears directly within Slack, which makes it easy to include task details like due dates, task type, association, and more with original context close at hand. Any task you create within Slack is automatically synced with your HubSpot CRM exactly where you need it later without any extra work from you. Remember that data entry thing? You can also stay connected to activities in your HubSpot CRM by receiving notifications within Slack. Simply select which notifications you want to receive from an array of options such as reminders, mentions, follows, documents, views, and submissions, and more. Pro tip: use slash commands like /HubSpot-search-contact to search for HubSpot CRM contacts without leaving Slack. Some of my other favorite /slashes are /Zoom or /Jiffy or Giphy. Oh wait, anyway, this is a HubSpot update. Let's get back to business. With this HubSpot and Slack integration, a sales rep can create a task and associate it with a contact, company, or deal in HubSpot. Say goodbye to the days of wasting time switching between tools. Instead, work where you want with HubSpot and Slack. Now, at this point, you might be wondering who the heck gets it. The integration, well, it's free for HubSpot customers who also have Slack, and it's available in all languages supported by HubSpot. Oh, and by the way, marketers and service professionals can use this integration as well. Just saying. Do you love these updates? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll carry you right over to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation that is HubSpot and inbound marketing. Also, while you're on the interwebs, make sure you check out our Facebook and YouTube channel where you can watch more videos, hit the bells, the like, subscribes, all the things so we know that you're part of the community. Do you need training past this update? Check the links below. That's what we do, 1 and 2 day workshops. Nevertheless, make sure you're using HubSpot to the best of its ability. By doing this, you might want to integrate Slack, and if you're not using Slack yet, oh my goodness! And of course, while you're doing both, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.